Imagine this. You open Excel, and instead of a grid of numbers, you see a living, breathing assistant. Instead of formulas, AI writes everything for you. No VLOOKUP, no formulas, no headache. Bro, Excel just got a brain. We're moving from the era of manual calculation to the era of intelligent partnership. Forget the formula nightmare. It's time to let the machine do the thinking. Welcome to ProdPandaAI, where we simplify product management with AI-powered insights. Where AI makes boring work disappear because you have better things to do. Let's be honest. Excel is a battlefield. It's you versus formulas, you versus errors, and you versus your own sanity. It's a struggle we've all faced at 2 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. And then someone says, just use VLOOKUP. Bro, what? Does anyone actually remember how that works when they're under pressure? No, it's absolute jargon madness. Now imagine this. You type, summarize this data, find insights, or even write a response to this client. You speak human and the spreadsheet understands. That's the shift. And AI does it instantly. That's because AI is now integrated directly inside tools like Google Sheets and Excel via APIs. It's like a turbocharger for your data. Behind the scenes, it's simple. You connect the AI using an API key. Think of it as the secret bamboo code. The AI then sits right inside your sheet, waiting for your command. You give instructions in plain English, and boom, the sheet becomes your personal assistant. Basically, Excel just got promoted to a full-time employee, and he's a top performer. Now imagine using this for real value. Summarizing thousands of pieces of user feedback or cleaning up that messy data Aditi's been dreading. It turns a week of work into minutes. Cleaning messy data used to be the worst part of the job. Now, a robot vacuums up the mess and leaves you with perfect insights. It's not just faster, it's more accurate and deterministic. Earlier, you worked in Excel. You were the slave to the cells. But now, Excel works for you while you focus on high-value strategy. Just like Ramesh here. This means you can finally stop playing catch-up and start leading. It's about being a product manager, not a spreadsheet manager. That is the real evolution of the role. But careful, with great power comes great responsibility. If your prompt is bad, the AI brain gives bad output. If you ask for trash, you get a trash tower. Red alert. So again, the real skill isn't Excel. It's how you talk to the AI. Precision, roleplay, and context are everything. You are the conductor of this digital orchestra. So here's the truth. AI is not replacing Excel. It's upgrading you. It's taking your human judgment and giving it robot speed execution. Together, you're unstoppable. Learn how to make AI work for you and lead the change. Follow ProdPandaAI for the deepest, funniest insights in product. Subscribe to join the revolution. Like, subscribe. And remember, product management doesn't have to be complicated. See you in the next episode, PM.